In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or transfer Google Photos from one account to another. If you've ever started using a new Google account and wanted all your photos to come with you, or you simply want to back up everything to a second account, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily, and by the end, your photos will be safely available in your other account. First, open a web browser and sign in to the Google account that currently holds your photos. This is your source account. Go to photos.google.com. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. If it's not the right one, switch to the proper account before moving on. Once you're in Google Photos with the correct account, look at the top right corner for the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Click that to open your Google Photos settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option related to sharing or partner sharing. This is the feature that lets you share your entire photo library with another Google account, and it's what we'll use to transfer your photos. Click on Partner Sharing. You'll be asked to choose a partner account. Here, type in the email address of the Google account where you want to transfer the photos. This is your destination account. When it appears, select it. Next, you'll see options about what you want to share. Choose to share your entire library so that all current and future photos from this account become available to the other one. Confirm your choices and send the invitation. Now, switch over to your destination Google account. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting the other account, or by opening a new browser and signing in with that email. Again, go to photos.google.com. You should see a notification or prompt about partner sharing. Accept the invitation from your first account. After you accept, you'll have the option to add photos from this partner account into your own library. Make sure to choose the option that saves copies of all shared photos and videos into your destination account, not just viewing access. Depending on how many photos you have, it might take some time for everything to appear. Leave it running and check back later if you have a large library. Once the process is complete, scroll through your Google Photos in the destination account to confirm your pictures and videos are there. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Google Photos from one account to another using partner sharing.